What's up, guys? Welcome back. I'm so excited because I have not done a skincare video in like 4 years. I need to tell you what I have been putting on my face because I get so many of these questions. I don't. So I just want to walk you through step by step my skincare routine. Most of these products can be found on Amazon. If you like skincare videos, if you like makeup, beauty, all of that, just go ahead, consider subscribing, and let's go ahead and get started. A quick shout out to INIA. I am partnering with them in this video. This is the INIA Flare. What I love most about this one is it's all-in-one skincare device that's really gonna help your skincare absorb better into your skin. I have extremely dry skin. So the issue that I always have with my skincare products is that the next morning when I go to wash my face, I feel skincare still in there. This device helps your skincare penetrate. So when you wake up the next day, your skincare did what it had to do. It went in the epidermis. It went deep in there. What I love most about this device is besides it helping your skincare absorb into your skin, it does more than that. That's just one component, okay? We're just getting started. This device has a microcurrent setting. It has red light therapy, thermal light, and high frequency technology to really do what it has to do. It's definitely more affordable than typical devices. If you know one popular viral device, you know what I'm talking about. This device is a fraction of that price. So you can get a bundle for $89. It comes automatically with a nice aloe vera conducting gel. And the best part, I have a coupon code for you, so I will link that down below if you're interested. Very important, you do not want to use a skincare device on bare skin. You can use any of your skincare serums. If you have a moisturizer you want to use, follow this step-by-step guide though, and you'll be all right. For today, I'm just going to be using the conductive gel that it came with. And you guys, I love this gel. It is so hydrating. You do want to go area by area, so I'm just gonna go one side at a time. That is the conductive gel right there. It's just a really nice hydrating gel. This has 3 different modes. We're gonna go ahead and start with the lift mode. And we're just gonna start moving upwards. You're gonna start feeling a really subtle tingly sensation. It just feels so nice, like it's a literal spa. I know it looks crazy, but you see, that's not me, okay? I'm not twitching my eye right there. This is the device that's really just helping with your muscles. You're gonna see an instant lift here. Do this a couple of times a week. Next, we're gonna do this side. The next mode is gonna be the tighten mode, which is the red light. Adding my gel. Love how hydrating this conducting gel is. This one is all about the red light therapy. Ooh, this one feels so nice. This mode uses that soothing thermal energy, helps with collagen production. Right now, I am targeting these forehead wrinkles. Do you see that? That's like it doing its job. It's really relaxing those muscles. This helps produce that collagen that we naturally lose as we age. My skin is feeling nice and plump. The focus of this device is that epidermis layer. This is where the collagen lives. Last, the infuse mode. Add some here on my forehead. So the focus of this mode is to really help that product sink into your skin. Tiny little bit of warmth. So this is just really great for any skincare serum that you have. Hyaluronic acid, vitamin C. This is really going to help absorb that product. It's helping your pores open up for your skincare to be able to go into that middle layer. This is how that ion technology creates a pathway for your skincare to be able to absorb. That is it for the INIA Flare. I do want to quickly mention another skincare device that they have. This one is meant for under eyes. I mean, you can really use it anywhere. I'm gonna apply a little bit of this eye cream underneath my under eyes. This is the INIA Lumin under eye device. It has 3 different modes. The first mode is the revive mode. It's helping to smooth the fine lines, to help reduce the puffiness. This helps here to enhance the eye cream absorption. You just gotta be very gentle with it. Don't poke out your eyeball, please. It has that vibration. It's really gonna get in there to massage your under eyes. It has red light, microcurrent, and EMS. You have your red light therapy. You can use this really anywhere. If you have your smile lines, you have some fine lines up here also. And I can also focus this directly in the middle here because I do get lines right there in the middle. Next, I'm going in with the lift mode. This one's just a little bit more bouncy, helping to lift the saggy under eyes. You know, when your eyes just look like you're tired, like you just got ran over by a bus. This helps with that. Lastly, we're gonna go in with the volumize mode. Okay, this one really helps to treat those sunken under eyes. It's supposed to, ooh, child, that thing is going strong. You gotta be real careful. And there it is. Very gently. Under eye bags in general. Really getting in there. It's gonna help that eye cream just penetrate deeper. All right guys, that completes my skincare device review. Do you use a skincare device? Which one do you use? Has it helped you? I feel like it has made a huge difference in the way that my skin feels the next day. We're gonna be talking next about my favorite skincare products, all in the order that I use them. This is my current everyday nighttime skincare routine. The stuff I use every single day. The first step that I do, of course, is to cleanse the skin, but I don't just do one cleanse. I do a double cleanse. I start off with a cleansing oil. This is my favorite cleansing oil right now. This is the Haharu Wonder Black Rice Moisture Deep Cleansing Oil. The DHC was my baby, okay? That one was literally the best one. This one does an even better job. It gets the makeup off all in one. Some cleansing oils have that oiliness. This does not. It's also unscented. I just want to show you the texture. Very lightweight. It feels like a serum. The moment that you apply the water, it gets the makeup off, but it takes all the oils off too. So you're not left with an oily face. It is the most effective cleansing oil that I have ever used. And then I do a second step, which is to cleanse my face right after that. I know it sounds like a lot. Hear me out. Double cleansing is going to change your life. This Vanicream Gentle Facial Cleanser, I love how effective it is. It cleans, but it does not strip your face. It's extra gentle. So this is formulated with ingredients that are clean, free from dyes, free from fragrances. It has no parabens, non-comedogenic, alcohol-free, gluten-free. This is what dermatologists always recommend for people with extra sensitive skin, which is not my face. I have some thick skin, no pun intended, but I do have thick skin. Like my skin is not that sensitive, but because I do double cleanse, I do like an extra gentle just so my skin doesn't feel stripped like I'm like a parchment brick on a wall. These two right here, this is a match. The very first step that I do is a blemish pad. This one here is from MediHeal. Oh my gosh, you guys, whenever I feel like my skin is going through it, bumps, blemishes, all sorts of things, I will go in with one of these pads. And let me tell you, this box will last a lifetime. These are extra gentle. They're meant for sensitive skin. They're clean ingredients. This has an essence containing, I can never pronounce the name, is Madagascar. It's like Madagascar. This just helps you to prep your face for your skincare. After you've used it for a day or two, you're gonna start noticing that your blemishes will minimize or disappear. And the next step is an essence slash toner. This one here is from the brand Pyukangul. You guys, this is my second bottle, and there is nothing like this toner. It is just so hydrating, fragrant free, clean ingredients, all Korean. Like I love me some Korean skincare. It's like a liquidy texture, which is very much like a toner, but it has the components of an essence. It feels like slippery goodness. It feels so hydrating. What I love is how quickly it absorbs. You can find this on Amazon. You guys, this is the best toner out there. Not a lot of people know or talk about this one. I have the Bioma, I have the Thayer's Milky Toner. Those are the ones I use for underneath my makeup, but this is for my nighttime because this is extremely hydrating. I will go in with a skincare device. I will add my essence and I will just go in and do all of my modes. Next, I will go in with the serum. My favorite serum forever, ever, the Medicube Pink Salmon DNA PDRN Serum. This serum is so beautiful, so glowy. First of all, the color, it's pink. Hello, that's beautiful. I will go back in with this pink serum and I will go back into my skincare device and do it again. This serum is the most hydrating, non-sticky serum. It just feels like a spa goodness, immediate glowiness. And then when you do it with the device, it just helps that salmon PDRN just really penetrate in your skin. I am already running out and I already have a backup. If I'm having an extra parched day, a day that I'm like, I feel like chalkboard, I will add in another serum. But for the most part, I interchange between both. This one here is from Mixun. This is their Glacier Water Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Oh my gosh, you guys, this here is the definition of hydration. It just gives you that boost of hydration, but it is not sticky, okay? It just hydrates beautifully into your skin. I will go in with my skincare device to really let that sink in. After I have done my serums, the last step is a moisturizer just to seal and lock everything in. And you have probably seen this by now if you watch my channel. I have gone through, I'm not even kidding you, for maybe 15 of these bottles already in like 2 years. This is the COSRX Snail Mucin. This is snail mucin secretion. No snails are harmed in the process. This has just that beautiful, nice serum-like texture, and it just gives your skin the extra hydration that it needs. It locks in all of those serums with extra hydration. How my skin feels the next day feels like pure baby softness. Also, no matter what serums I use, it doesn't react to it like in a negative way. You know, sometimes you have skincare products where one product does not like the other one. It's not the case with this one. I have tried so many serums. I have a bunch, okay? And this one never reacts in a negative way forever. This is my moisturizer. That's it. After my moisturizer, my next step is an eye cream, and I have been obsessed with this one here from Medicube. This is the PDRN Salmon DNA, but in an eye cream. So I love this one because this one has a really nice thicker consistency, but it's not like oily, it's not greasy, and it just feels extremely hydrating. It just feels like it's doing something so nice for your under eyes. It's just all around just a really nice, gentle, good eye cream that gets the job done. I also use another eye cream. What I love to use this one primarily for is to target wrinkles up here. This is the Raw Retinol Correction Under Eye Cream. It has a little bit more of that thinner texture. This is a line smoothing cream, which is why I love to use this here on my forehead lines. This one here really helps to reduce those fine lines, the eye puffiness, the dark circles. So I love to go in between these two, and then I love to just apply this in any of my deeper lines. This SPF here from Mediheal is SPF 50. This is the Moisture Blemish Repair Sun Serum. So it's an SPF, but it feels like a serum. Literal skincare. It has absolutely no white cast. It looks white, but I'm gonna show you, it feels just like this beautiful serum-like moisturizing consistency. You see, absolutely no white cast. This helps with blemishes. This is my favorite SPF. The only downside is I don't think you can find this on Amazon. There's a specific Korean store that you can buy it online. I'll link it down below, but if you do get this, I would just stock up on a few of these because you guys, this is the best SPF. It's calming, you don't feel any stinginess, it just feels so beautiful, and it layers beautifully underneath your makeup. My other favorite SPF, this one is the Beauty of Joseon, but the original Korean version. This SPF just feels like moisture goodness. It feels so nice on the skin. What I love is that it does not irritate my skin. It has a tiny little bit of white casting, but it goes away like that. This is like skincare in a bottle. This has so many of those nice ingredients. You see, it is definitely white casting, but it goes away. It just feels so smoothing on the skin. I use this every single day before I go out on my run or before I ever step foot outside. Your girl's gonna have SPF and you should too. I just wanted to throw the SPF in there because it is that important. Por favor, please, if you do not put SPF on, don't go outside. Just don't do it. A skincare routine is not a skincare routine without exfoliating. Hear me out. Exfoliate at least once a week. Maybe once, maybe twice a week. And you guys, there is no better exfoliator than this one. Dr. Malaxin Peel Shot. If you watch me, you know I'm always raving about these two. They do come together in a bundle. The best exfoliating experience. These products are the most gentle exfoliators. What I've got surprised most about the exfoliating is how baby soft my skin felt. You put the products on and it bunches up into these tiny little particles. Both of these contain rice bran water to really help and hydrate your skin. So by the time you're done exfoliating, that you wash it off from your face feels glowy, baby soft, beautiful, plump. I mean, it's incredible how soft your skin feels. This one is the black rice one. So this one targets blackheads. So it really gets deep in there for any of your blackheads, any of your pores. And this one here is the white rice one. It clarifies, it just does it all. This helps to brighten your skin. Your skin just feels so smooth, like perfection. I will treat myself once a week to a nice face mask. Usually I do it on Sundays. And this one here from Medicube, this is the pink PDRM serum enriched with collagen. If there's a day where I'm gonna just take a few hours for myself to clean, to watch a movie, I will put this on. After 2 hours, this turns clear. That's how you know it's ready for you to just remove it. And you guys, the moment that you remove this, your skin just feels like pure glowiness. I can't find this lip balm, but I'm gonna insert it here. The Mario Badescu lip balm, you guys, that is the best lip balm ever. It's not sticky, it's not glossy. It has coconut oil in there to really hydrate your lips. But what I love most is that it doesn't get me addicted. Sometimes when I use chapstick or if I use any other lip balm, after a few hours, feels like I need another swipe of lip balm. This does not do that. The Mario Badescu, I apply it once a day. My lips feel smooth all day long. I think it's the coconut oil that it has. If you're looking for a good lip balm, I would highly recommend that one. I have tried many lip balms. I have tried the Ola Hendrickson one. I have tried the Lani Edge one. I have all of those, even the Tropicals one. And you guys, they always make me feel like I'm addicted to chapstick. Like I need to apply it every couple hours. Not the Mario Badescu. My lips do not dry out. It is amazing. The best lip balm ever. All right, guys, that completes my favorite skincare routine video. I hope that you enjoyed. Let me know down below if you like any of these products. Let me know what are your skincare routine favorites. I mean, I'm curious to know know. Thank you guys again for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.